Imagine finding money on the floor every day and deciding it's not worth picking up. Sounds ridiculous, right? But that's exactly what thousands of people are doing right now. And the weirdest part? The money is sitting inside an app many Malaysians already use. Most people want to save more. The problem is, saving usually feels slow. You put money aside, nothing happens. Days go by, weeks go by, and eventually you stop paying attention. Most people think meaningful returns require a lot of money, thousands of ringgit, complicated investments, or taking risks. But that's where things get interesting, because sometimes the biggest opportunities are hiding in the simplest places. While exploring the MAE app, I found something most people probably scroll past. It's called a tabung. Think of it like a digital money jar. But here's the interesting part. Maybank is currently rewarding eligible users just for creating one. Open the MAE app, tap Tabung, create a new one, and simply include the word bonus in the name. That's it. A few taps, less time than ordering your next coffee. And this is exactly why people ignore it. The reward seems small, until you remember that small rewards repeated every day have a funny habit. They add up. Eligible users can earn daily bonuses, enjoy returns of up to 4.29% per annum, and even stand a chance to win 50 ringgit. So if you're already using MAE, this might be one of those opportunities that's too easy not to try.